Here you have it, EPAuto. Save yourself some money. Interior cabin air filter for my 13 Opta SLX. I've been using these for years. I'm going to show you how I install it in my 13 Optima, and yours should be pretty similar as well, and save that money, and I'm going to show you how easy it really is. First, you're going to empty your, of course, first you're going to empty your glove box because you need everything out of there. You go in, and a lot of cars are just like this. You're gonna unpop, you're gonna squeeze the two things here and open it up. It's gonna drop down. It's gonna give you access to your cabin filter here. Alright, you're gonna go in. Mine has little clamps you have to press to pull this out on each side. Just don't force it out. Yeah, just on the one side actually. And pull it out. There it is, nice and dirty. I'll show you. Got all the dirt in there. Ooh, it's all going all over the place. Toss that and remove the new one from EPAuto out of the box. This is just gonna slide in. There you have it, it's in. And then you line this up, clip this back in. There you have it. And then close this back up. Make sure you put it in there right. Just reverse the process. On this one, there is a hook that lines up, so you have to be careful. They're all different, but that's how it's done. There you go. And now you're good to go. Again, EPAuto. Save yourself some money.